This is the eye drop. Yeah, for you to see. And eye drop. Opcon-A, clinically proven eye allergy relief. It's a itch for itching redness caused by pollen, ragweed, grass, animal hair, and dander. 50 milliliter or 0.5 fluid ounce. For redness reliever eye drops, and here in the top. And bottom, let's see on the side here, drug facts. Yeah. Okay. This expiration day, July 2025. Yeah, they have information here. You have to push in, but you cannot open like this, but you have to push hard down and then just turn, twist. I don't squeeze it, it's automatically rub like if you usually you go to the inside the bathroom with the wind of the mirror, you do it, it's better.